Hey guys, so as requested, I will be showing you how to do a face swap. So I'm kind of liking all of the faces in this picture, except for one of the kids is kind of sticking his tongue out, you know, not ideal. So I like his face in this picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new layer. The key command for that is Shift Option Command NE, or just Shift Command N, just depending on your preference. I'm going to take my lasso, roughly lasso around his face. I'm going to press Command C to copy that space. I'm going to head over to my other picture and press Command V to paste it. Now, if I want to move this, I'm going to press Command T. Now it puts a box around it so I can manipulate it, make it bigger, smaller, and click and drag it. So obviously this head is much too large, so let's shrink it down. Usually I'll put it side by side just so I can see if I need to, how far I need to shrink it down. So, okay, and I'm going to rotate it slightly, and I'm going to click on it, double click to make the transform go away. Now I'm going to put a mask layer on it, so it's this box with the circle, and I'm going to press B for my brush tool. I'm going to size this brush by using Control Option, clicking my mouse, dragging to the right or left to make it soft, to drag up and down. I'm going to make it super soft. Now I'm going to come in here and I want to make sure that my default colors are on there. I'm going to press X on my keyboard to make it black. Black erases and white will draw. So I'm just erasing what I don't want here. So making the edges soft so it's less noticeable. And as you can see, his head, the previous head comes back. So I'm just going to press X and I'm going to draw back in there. Press X again for black. I'm just going to erase that a little bit. Now I'm going to get in here close and I'm going to come in here and erase around his jawline. And better now. And down by his collar. Erase over here by his ear, and as you can see, it is showing his other ear, which is fine because we will fix that. Okay, so let's fix this ear. So now that I'm done erasing everything, I'm going to make a new layer, and I am going to press S for my stamp tool. I'm going to come in here, option click, and just stamp away this old ear lobe. There we go. Okay, and that's it, guys. That is how you do a face swap. Look at this gorgeous picture now. We're styling. So I would press Command W to save this, and it will bring it back over to Lightroom. Hope that was helpful, and I will talk to you guys later.